Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to open snaps on Snapchat web without phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now here we are, as you can see, on snapchat.com, my browser. So if you come across to web.snapchat.com, it's going to take you the web-based version of Snapchat. From here, what you can do is log in just down here. And once you're logged in, as you can see, we're currently here on the desktop version of Snapchat. Now, if we actually go ahead and click onto a chat, so I'm just going to open up one of these chats. What you can do is send chats, and you can send pictures absolutely fine, no problem. But to actually go ahead and view any snaps, you do need to do is just simply click on any snap that normally you do on your phone, and the snap will be opened. As you can see, you just have to click on snap, and snap will be opened. You can also react to snap as you do on a phone. And is that simple? So that's basically how you can open snaps on Snapchat web without phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.